Thanks for stopping by for the news at 4. I'm Joe Paris with you on this Monday. We begin with a federal judge delivering what is being called a death blow to the government's indictments against former FBI Director James Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James. She ruled that the interim U.S. attorney was appointed incorrectly under the law and dismissed both indictments against the two public figures that President Trump had targeted for prosecution. NBC's Yamiche Alcindor has details from Washington.
In a stunning turn of events, a federal judge dismissed the criminal indictments against former FBI Director James Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James. The judge finding that Lindsay Halligan, President Trump's hand-picked interim U.S. attorney, was not lawfully appointed. The ruling comes after Comey's attorney argued that Halligan, who was once the president's personal attorney and had no prosecution experience, had no authority to file the charges. Halligan was the only lawyer who signed both indictments, and so both were dismissed. Those indictments came after President Trump publicly pressured Attorney General Pam Bondi to prosecute Comey and James, both political adversaries of the president.
Comey's a crooked guy.
Comey was indicted on charges of making a false statement to Congress and obstructing a congressional investigation. He has said from the start that the charges were political.
I'm grateful that the court ended the case against me, which was a prosecution based on malevolence and incompetence, and a reflection of what the Department of Justice has become under Donald Trump.
New York Attorney General James was indicted on bank fraud charges. The president had been lashing out at her ever since she successfully tried a case against the president's business for fraud. James has also said the charges were politically motivated.
This justice system, which has been used as a tool of revenge.
And in a statement today, James said she remains, quote, fearless in the face of these baseless charges. Both of these cases were dismissed without prejudice, which means another federal prosecutor could bring these charges again. And today's ruling could have ripple effects for other cases in that office. Yamiche Alcindor, NBC News, Washington.